Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello, Puan Madam. Okay. Today I want to introduce myself and my friends. Okay. My name is Auni Fidana Betty Syamsul Akmar, and number matrix I01DKA20F1086. And my friend is Nabila binti Muhammad Tajuddin. Nombor matris 01DK20F1099. And lastly, my friend Nur Adibah Nazira binti Mat Zaini. Nombor matris 01DK20F1083. And kami dari kelas DKA2D.
Hi, my name is Nur Adibah Nazira binti Mat Zaini. I'm taking part in explaining the intro of differentiation. Before we go deeper in this chapter, we must learn basic things of differentiation. Okay, differentiation used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, and agriculture. Differentiation also known as derivative of the function. So, example of use of differentiation is if a person is running up a hill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. This rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called its gradient. Actually, there's a plenty of formula in this topic, but I'm going to share one, which is to find the gradient. So, gradient equal to change of vertical height per change of horizontal height. Generally, to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, just write the symbol dy per dx to represent it. If y is a function of x, then y equal to fx. The differentiation of y with respect to x dy per dx can be written as f prime x. Therefore, dy per dx equal to f prime x. And the last one, I'm going to tell you the differentiation concepts applied in displacement and velocity. Velocity, which is v, is the differentiation of displacement, which is s, into time, which is t, and is written as ds per dt. While acceleration, a, is the differentiation of velocity into time and is written as dv per dt.
Hi, my name is Nabila binti Muhammad Tajuddin, number matrix 01DKA20F099. So today I'm going to explain ways to solve the questions. So the question given, find the coordinate of stationary points of y equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3. So first thing first, you need to do is differentiate the equation. So whether you want to put dy over dx or y prime, is just the same thing. So as you guys can see in the slide, I put y prime. So when I differentiate it, I will get 2x plus 2. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to 0. So you just gotta put what you differentiate. Like what you have got. When you differentiate, you just gotta put at the dy over dx equal to 0. So as you guys can see, I put 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So and then you need to factorize it. Okay, so x, you will get negative 1. Okay, that one put aside. Okay, so you need to find y. Next, you need to find y. So when you want to find y, you need to change you need to put the x into the y equation. So as you guys can see, when x is equal to negative 1, so put negative 1 into the equation of y. So you guys can see you will get y equal to 2. So right now you have x equal to negative 1, y equal to 2. So the stationary point is the point negative 1, 2 is a stationary point. So that's how you solve the questions. Okay, so we moving on to the second questions. Okay, with the question 1, find the coordinate of y x cubed minus 3 over 2x squared minus 6x plus 10, and then determine their nature and sketch the graph of the curve. Okay, so this question is slightly different, a bit different between the first questions. Okay, so this one you need to determine the nature and sketch the graph. Okay, first thing first you need to do is differentiate the y equation. So whether you want to put dy over dx or y prime, it doesn't matter, it's just the same. So I just put y prime. So y prime, I got 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. So dy over dx equal to 0. 3x squared minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So you need to factorize it, and then you will get x equal to 2 and x equal to -1. Okay, it's just the same method as the first questions. Okay, and then you need to change you need to include x into the term of y. Okay, so when x is equal to 2, then you will get y equal to 0, and then same goes to when x is equal to -1, y you will get 13.5. So the stationary point is 2, 0 and -1, 13.5. So that is the stationary point. Okay, so we're going to continue because the question asks for determine their nature. So when determine their nature, you need to find the minimum point and the maximum point. Okay, so you need to do the second degree of differentiation. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. So when you differentiate it, you will get 6x minus 3. So that's for the second degree differentiation. Okay, when x equal to 2, you just gotta change the x term, means x is 2, so you just gotta put it into the equation of 6x minus 3, and then you will get 9. So 9 is greater than 0. So what you can conclude is 2, 0 is the minimum point. Okay, we're moving on to the when x is -1. So you do the second degree differentiation, it's just the same. You got 6x minus 3, and then you put the x term into the 6x into the equation 6x minus 3, you will get -9. So -9 is less than 0. So what you can conclude is -1, 13.5 is the maximum point. So that is how you determine their nature. Okay, for the last one is the question asks to sketch the graph. So this is what I got. So as you guys can see, the minimum point and the maximum point is already stated in the graph. Okay, this is the shape of the graph that you will get. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for listening.
Okay, hi. I am Aunifidana. Okay, for the conclusion, in this topic, we can know with differentiation as mathematical techniques. Then we also have been able to reach the solution of the different methods used. Like we know, each of the methods brings a simple and clear way that can be used for practical data. Like example, ICAL techniques. We have been able to reach the solution of the different methods used. Each of the methods brings a simple and clear way that can be used for practical data. Okay, and also like we know, differentiation is used in almost everything in mathematical functions and calculation. So, differentiation is used to find change of one thing with respect to other. In conclusion, we must care and not practice laziness in ourselves to find out injustice like this topic. As well, this topic also can help us to know to solve a question as has many methods. So we should make use of the knowledge we have and not be careless. Okay. In conclusion, dan kami dapat mengetahui dalam matematik mempunyai banyak kaedah dan tidak ada dan kita tidak boleh merungut tak dapat jalan penyelesaian. Kalau kita malas belajar, kita takkan dapat tahu apa-apa. Okey, itu daripada saya, Ahmi Fidana.
This slide, including icons, image, and background sound, was created by Nabilah binti Muhammad Tajuddin, Auni Fidana binti Syamsul Akmar, and me myself, Nur Adibah Nazirah binti Mat Zaini. Big thanks to Madam Lim Yong Ching for guiding us. And not to forget to my team members for making this presentation smoother. Thank you.